Hi, it's Ari. Welcome back to my channel. Yay! Content! Thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I know it's been a long time, but that really means quite a lot to me because it's been forever and I don't deserve it. I really don't, because I don't even make content, but thank you anyways. Thank you if you came from Gabi's channel. So hello, welcome to this new space. Hi. So because I have a new room, not really, I just reorganized, but because I like new things and I don't wear a lot of makeup, I really don't, I thought it would be cool if Gabi London, say hi! Hello! is going to upgrade my makeup. So let's get started. I don't know where to start, Gabi.
Well, for me, I usually do my eyebrows first.
Okay. Wait, should I put on primer first?
No.
Oh, okay.
You're doing your brows. That's different from you. Because you're going to do brows, then you're going to use concealer to shape it up, clean it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
For this process, Gabi, I want to look like Princess Diaries transformation. It's like two photos split into one.
Use your baby photo.
You look like a moose. Oh, the boy moose go. Oh shit. Okay.
Okay, now you're going to use your concealer, and if you have like a flat brush, you're going to go under your brows and just like clean it up, make it look like it's nice and sharp. Now we're going to do our face.
Okay.
So we prime. So forehead, down the bridge of your nose, on the sides of your nose, under your eyes, like places where you know it has like lines and or cracks. And it smells like old white people.
Okay. Can I smell it? Oh. Old people smell. Should I put it in my eye?
Sure. And now you can color correct, spot correct, whatever you want to do.
Where is the concealer?
I love you and I miss you.
Excuse me. Every time you look at me, I get really scared.
I mean, is that the color corrector or is just concealer?
Oh, it's concealer.
Yeah. Not yet.
Ooh, it's fresh. Oh. I feel like I need to shave my mustache. I wonder if I can suck this back up.
No, just leave it. Just leave it.
And then what?
Foundation.
Okay.
Foundation.
Yeah.
Okay, good, because that one's full coverage. So I'll cover your color corrector. You're going to see a difference because you're going to be like, wow, my face looks brighter. I look like I have glowy skin. You know?
Yeah, no?
You know?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're going to go under eye, T-zone area. Go lightly though, because it's really pigmented and it spreads a lot. So just like maybe 3 dots under the eye. And then like your forehead, down to the bridge of your nose.
Oh.
And then like under your lip area. And then the bottom of your... Yeah.
Okay, is that it? Okay. Now what?
Okay. And now you're gonna set that concealer. So if you have like that powder.
Does it? Can I use a dry beauty blender?
No.
Okay.
No, beauty blenders are not meant to be dry unless you're not using them. And you're gonna set wherever you put that concealer at.
Am I baking?
No.
Oh.
You're going to keep patting in until the powder's all gone, because that's why the point of it being wet is to you know, make sure it's in. And then contour.
Okay.
There's like dust. To tell where your cheekbones are, because you're going to go under your cheekbones, so just like do that. And then you can see, like, for me, like, there's a line. So I go on that line.
I feel like like you can't even tell. Either I'm like,
Or maybe you like touch. So maybe like under here.
I know my cheekbone is here, so like
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah, but don't go all the way down. Just like maybe like right to here.
Okay.
Because you don't have a really like long face, so you don't need to go all the way down.
Should I do it on my neck?
Yeah, under your chin, yeah. So it's like, where's the double chin? Here.
Nah.
And then a little bit on your forehead.
Okay.
Now we're done with contouring. Now we can work on the eyes. Stop singing, the birds will die.
I feel like this is just like my skin color.
That's the point.
Oh.
We're trying to make a base on your face.
Base on your face.
So that the pigments can show a lot better.
This is so pretty. It's the Morphe Jacqueline Hill palette.
And you're just gonna blend it into the... No, not that one. Which one? The other one.
This one?
Yeah. It's okay. I was gonna mix those two together anyways, but I guess that's fine. Yeah. Go
Right here?
right there.
Okay. I'm kind of scared.
Start from the inner corner. Those same colors. I do this color and then look up and go lightly. So you try, but do it lightly, like with a light hand.
Mascara! Mascara! Thank you. Oh, bird! I opened my eyes too soon.
I know. Because it looks like it's, it doesn't look nude anymore. It looks red still because of the inner thing.
Yeah. I mean, I wanted it like that. Like
I'm
slightly
supposed to be the one to tell you what to do, not what you want to do.
Too late. Not this one. This one's mine. I don't
No.
have one.
You don't have one?
No.
Yeah.
Gabi, come here. Thank you. You want to share half a butt cheek? Thank you for teaching me how to do makeup. Watch me do my makeup and like not do any of this.
She uses a dry beauty blender.
Listen, I spray it with like mist.
Do you wash dishes with a dry sponge?
No.
Yeah. So damp your beauty blender.
Thanks, Gabi. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on your post notifications, go on Gabi's channel, even though most of you came from Gabi's channel. Watch her videos, subscribe to her makeup channel.
Yeah.
And her vlog channel.
Yeah.
And her gom channel.
I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas.
Oh yeah!